Good morning and welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you being here. So today is a rainy day and we decided that we're going to go to Napa again, but we're going to go to some different places today. And my wife likes to drink coffee, so we're starting out today here, this place. So she's going to get some coffee and then we're going to head to another place and I'll show you around. All right, let's check it out. So they got these sweet egg chairs. She's got her coffee now. I love a good egg chair. And they also have these swings back here too that you can sit in. There's awesome seating in this place. Egg chairs are so great. They have many egg chairs in here. I want to get two things I want to get. If I own a house, I want to get an egg chair. Probably the hanging kind, but this one's great too. And
nice too. Yeah.
I want to get a hot tub.
Yes, and that'll be all that we have in our house.
Watching them scoop ice cream. This isn't monetized music. Excited to get myself some ice cream, pistachio nut. All right, so as I mentioned, it's a rainy day here. We're in Napa. We're at this place called Oxbow Public Market. So this is like one of those food halls that a lot of places have now. There's also another kind of famous place down here in this area called Gott's. They have a more famous location in St. Helena, and something that people may not realize when they visit Napa or come to Napa, unless you have been here a few times, is that Napa is like a region sometimes. People will talk about it, there's the city, but sometimes people will talk about Napa as like a region. So there's Napa, Yountville, St. Helena, and Calistoga. Those are the areas at least I think of typically. And they all kind of call them Napa. So that Gott's place is part of St. Helena, but if you come here, there might be spas and things you want to go to in Calistoga. There's like other things to do in Yountville. But if you come to Napa, today we got this inflatable, what is this, a gnome? Oh, he's a roaming gnome. Look at that. I don't know what this guy is doing here, but he's in the rain. All right, so like I said, this is like a food hall. There's tons of great places to eat in here. There's this Polish place. They have like cupcakes and wine over here. This is like a really good grocery store. They got smoothies over there.
Looking around here, maybe buy some cheese, and get some wine, or some chocolate, and bring home a bottle.
All right, this place is excellent. Hog Island Oyster Company. They also have, they have tons of locations, but I've been here and I've also been to their location at the Ferry Building in San Francisco. They always get a huge line right before they open. They have obviously great oysters, but they also have cioppino and clam chowder. That's really delicious. There's this sumo dog place. We've tried that. It's really good. We got a spice shop down here. This is my place. I come here all the time. I love these empanadas. I don't usually eat meat, but this is like a place I make an exception for. The beef empanadas here, it's like the ones where they put the raisins in them. They're so delicious. And then I also really like they have a shrimp one. I mean, literally, they have tons of them here, like all different types. They have sweet ones, lots of savory ones. Every single one I've ever had here is so good. This bookstore has like some really cool, quirky things. And then back to the grocery store, and this is like a smoothie place down here at the end. So I'm pretty sure I misspoke before and I called this a Polish place.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that it's actually a Jewish place. So we just saw this. One of my earlier videos showed this place in Larkspur. Apparently Johnny's Donuts is gonna get a spot here in Oxbow. So that's pretty cool. Again, this is the place that has really good donuts, but they also have vegan donuts that are like stand on their own, just great donuts. Check out these lamps. There's one over there too. I assume they're for like maybe bugs, some sort of public health reason. Oh yeah.
So you can taste all the different kinds. Ooh, lemon ginger.
Olive oil.
Yo, me presto también. How much is it?
Now we're gonna try something new. We've actually never been here before. This is Culinary Institute of America, I think. They have, so the Culinary Institute of America is further north than here. It's like on the way to Calistoga. And that's like where people learn to be chefs and things like that. But they have a restaurant there, and then they have like, I think this is actually the main restaurant here. I'm not sure which one's the main restaurant, but and then there's also a museum here. So we're gonna go to the museum today and see what they have in there. Hey, there's another one of those gnomes. What are these guys doing around here? That seems like a Christmas thing or something, but it's February. What's with all the gnomes?
It's still cold, so they're fine here.
Oh, is this a garden?
Yeah.
Blueberries, cranberry beans. I don't know what a cranberry bean is, but that's a good.
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. Wow.
Delicious.
Okay, so I'm laughing because I saw this as I was walking up and I was like, oh, that's like an artistic giraffe. The Culinary Institute of America
Literally a fork
has this
made out of forks
artistic
at the Culinary Institute.
artistic giraffe here. All right. Yes, this is clearly a fork made out of forks.
Do you think that the artist was kind of like, what do I call it? What do I call it? What do I call it? And then after a while, he was like, you know what? Fork it.
This bird over here is making a ruckus. This is the answer to why there's so many gnomes. It's a festival of gnomes. double boilers.
Jeez, like
Yeah.
all the copper.
Yeah, you can see why they thought to put this in a museum. Like it
Very
has a
impressive
purpose, it has a
pieces.
utility, but also it's just nice to look at. Look at these pigs. A lobster too. This one's too much.
There's a rabbit one over there.
That's
so
exactly.
You can imagine.
This
Yeah,
poor
what
little fella.
you're putting in the rabbit ones.
He got cooked in there. Oh, look out, pig. This guy's got something on his mind. Look out, pig. This guy's got something else on his mind. I don't think that's what you're supposed to do with the pig. There's just a cow just hanging out here.
It's cute.
Whoa. That's a leg. Look at that leg.
You really grind my gears sometimes. It's so funny. There's so many shapes here that I kind of recognize, but then I realize it's from something entirely different. Like, I've never actually seen a cast iron lamb like this, but I have seen Easter cakes that are like this exact shape. And then another item that made me think that was this fish, this terracotta fish. My mom used to have like a copper fish in this exact shape hanging on our kitchen wall. Purely decorative, but it's funny how some of these things that used to be practical turn into just fun decorative motifs.
Some food processors up here. And then look at these are toasters. Michael Jackson would be excited about these. Get it? Beat it. They also had this gift store that had lots of like knives and wine, chips, pots and pans, things you could buy. And then there's also a self-service wine bar here. I think they said they had like 24 wines, and that you just kind of like pay a fee and you could just come in whenever and then just kind of serve yourself, have some wine, listen to some music, and then be on your way without having to really interact with anybody. All right, we're going somewhere now that I've been intending to go to since 2020, so it's taken me 6 years to actually make it here. We're going to this place called Bounty Hunter because I heard they have something here called beer can chicken that's really good. Like I said, I don't even really eat meat, but I'll make an exception today just to try this out, so let's check it out.
Beer can chicken. Yum.
All right, we're back home now. That was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed that museum, and the fact that it's free, it seemed like this secret thing that we never knew about before. And so I'm glad we finally found that. And then the restaurant, also the food was really good. Normally I like to get a dry rubbed versus like putting sauce on it, and that was good. But in this rare instance again, the barbecue sauces, there was a mustard one that was really good, and then I don't know, would you say the other one was kind of like almost like a hot sauce barbecue sauce?
Yeah,
or
kind of like vinegar based.
Yeah, that was good too. But we had a great time, so I hope you enjoyed also. And I also want to thank everybody for watching. I hope everyone's healthy and having a good day. And okay, bye.